County in southeastern Massachusetts, Rhode Island, southern Providence County in Rhode Island, Bristol County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Foster or near Coventry, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Include Providence, Fall River, Warwick, Cranston, East Providence, North Providence, West Warwick, Johnson, North Kingstown, Bristol, Somerset, Portsmouth, Barrington, Swansea, Tiverton, Westport, Seacombe, and repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Wyndham, Connecticut. Some continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. The current time is 3:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. You can hear thunder. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Wyndham County in northern Connecticut, central Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, southwestern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Washington County in Rhode Island, northeastern Newport County in Rhode Island, Kent County in Rhode Island, southern Providence County in Rhode Island, Bristol County in Rhode Island, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Foster or near Coventry, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Expects damage to trees and power lines.
Wow.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Suffolk County in southeastern New York, southern Nassau County in southeastern New York until 4:15 p.m. At 3:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Baldwin or over Lynbrook, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Levittown and Jones Beach around 3:50 p.m. Massapequa around 3:55 p.m. Farmingdale around 4 p.m. Amityville around 4:05 p.m. Lindenhurst and Gilgo State Park around 4:10 p.m. Islip and Babylon around 4:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Upton, New York. The storm is producing frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm.
You're not gonna
and may
fit
lead to
this.
flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
You're not gonna fit this. Oh, or maybe you will.
I am proven wrong again.